Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. So the format for today's workout is a little bit different. We're not going to have music. A couple days ago now, since you guys are watching this on Thursday, so last Monday, we unfortunately lost our dog, and I'm just not in the mood to have any music playing today. Simple as that. So today we're going to do a core workout, guys. I have 8 different exercises. I'm going to call out the repetitions, do the best that I can. Hope you guys are here joining me today for this workout. Follow along with me, have a great time, and keep Vader in mind as we do this workout. So we're starting off, guys, with a single dumbbell sit-up. Single dumbbell, one arm, sitting up, 15 repetitions, all right? Once again, no clock, no music. It's just me today and you. You guys ready to go? Single dumbbell up, and we'll get ready to go in 3, 2, 1, and sit up. We're going for 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It leaves us 5 more. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. All right, that's exercise number 1. Let's take a little breather. Like I said, no clock today. So this is very much like working out with me today. No clock and no music. All right, now we're gonna do a plank and knee across. So we're gonna get in plank position. You're gonna bring your knee across your body, so knee to the opposite elbow. We're going for 20 repetitions, just 10 per each side, all right? All right, let's get going. 5, 4, 3, get in your planks. 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2. Control the movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1. Keep things tight. And 2. Whew. All right, that's 2 exercises now. Exercise number 3, guess what? We're sitting up again, but this time switch up arms. So sit up on the other side, use the other arm. I'm just gonna face it in a different direction, because why not? Give ourselves a few more seconds to rest, and we'll get going. All right, breaks over, lay down, grab your dumbbell. For reference, I'm using a 15-pound dumbbell. Here it is, 3, 2, 1, and let's sit up. 1, feels weird sitting up in this direction. 2, 3, 4, third of a way there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, guys. Nice and slow. 1, that's pretty much the only way I can go with the weight anyway. 2, 3, 2 more. 1, and 2, and lay back down. Whew. All right. Now we're going back to the plank position. So we have knees going across the body. Now we're going knees outside. So your right knee kind of goes outside your body towards your right elbow. All right, nice and easy. Knees to the outside, plank, 20 repetitions, one more time. You guys ready to go? Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Get in your planks and go knees outside and back in. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Keep everything tight. And 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Beautiful. I'm starting to feel the core pretty good. Those are working out well. All right. Exercise number 5 coming up. We're going to get in a Russian twist position, except we're going to pass something underneath our legs. You can use a weight. You don't have to use anything at all. You can just clap your hands. I don't care. You can use something really light, something a little heavier, like this 3-pounder. And I'm going to use the 5-pound weight. So we're going to get in this pass under position. Let's go for 20 repetitions. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, grab your weight and let's just pass it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys want to switch sides or rotations? 3 in the other direction. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, that does take care of that. Now we're going to do some walkouts. I'm kind of starting running out of breath. So I'm standing up. If you can keep your knees as straight as possible, you're going to stand here, bend down, walk out, and walk back. No push up at the end or anything, just purely core. We're going for 10 reps. Not very flexible, and I don't feel like getting any more flexible today. So I'm gonna bend my knees, walk out, and come back with my knees pretty bent. You guys ready to go? Remember, we're going for 10 reps. Ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Walk it out, all the way up, pause, and walk it back. And that's 1. Bend down, walk it out, pause, walk it back. We're 2 down. Bend down, walk it out, pause, and that's 3. Down, out, pause, 4, down, out, pause. We're halfway. We got 5 left. You guys ready? Let's go. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. We got 1 more. Walk it out. Whew. And that's 5. Try not to fall forward when you do those. All right, that was good. We got 2 exercises left. Once again, we get in a plank position. We're gonna do shoulder tap, shoulder tap. What else can we tap? Hip, hip, knee, knee, foot, foot, 8 times. How's that? That sounds good. Does it sound like I'm making up? Kind of, but not really. It's actually written on the board. I just forgot which body parts to tap. All right. So, follow along with me. That'll be easy enough. I'll call it out as we go. So we're gonna go left, right, 8 reps. You guys ready to go? Plank position. All right, give me a plank. Go shoulder tap, back, back, knee, knee, foot, foot. That's 1. Ready? Shoulder, shoulder, back, back, knee, knee, foot, foot. That's 2. Shoulder, shoulder, back, back, knee, knee, foot, foot. Is that 2 or 3? I'm calling it 3. Let's go for 4. 2, knee, knee, foot, halfway. Ready? Shoulder, shoulder, back, back, knee, knee, foot, foot. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whew. And we are done with that exercise. We got 1 more, guys. So we're going planks 1 more time. Get in plank position. We'll get a little rest right now. We're going to do 20 jumps in and out, 20 times. See how far we can make it. See if I can make it all the way through. I'm going to do damnness to finish this without failing. I might have to slow down at the end. We'll do the best that we can. You guys are ready to go? 1 more time. Plank position. Go just jump your knees in and then jump them out. Doesn't get any simpler than this. If the microphone gets screwed up during this, I apologize in advance. All right, guys. Let's get going, all right? 20 reps on my pace. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. In, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whew. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. Thank you if you've been here for a long time. Thank you if you're new here. We do these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Sorry, today was a little somber workout for me, but I'll see you guys during your next workout.